Hola, welcome to my channel. Today I have for you this makeup tutorial using my most expensive makeup. I did see some videos around YouTube where people go around and do their makeup using their most expensive makeup, and I did think it was kind of fun to do something different on my channel since I've never done that before. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to hit that little button down below so you can be part of my familia de bellezas. Now let's see how I got this look. I'm gonna start off by using my Susan Simonelli Special Reserve Moisturizer. This one's really good, but the only thing is that it's very expensive. For my eyes, I'm using my Believe Aqua Eye Balm. This is one of my favorite eye moisturizers. To hydrate my face a bit more, I'm using my Herbivore Rose Hibiscus Water. This one has coconut as well, and this one is hydrating. I really love this one as well because it really has a really nice scent and it moisturizes my face really good. So I actually noticed that I forgot to turn on my speaker. For my eyebrows, I actually use my Precisely My Brow by Benefit in the color number 6. Really do like this one. And then I just cleaned up my eyebrows with my concealer, and that was it. So I'm going to be applying this oil. This is from Kevyn. This is the Neo-Elixir. This is the first time I'm actually using it. I did receive it courtesy of Kevyn and Aucoin, so I'm going to be using it for the first time today. I do love the packaging. I feel like it's really pretty. Now let's try this one. I do like applying oils when I apply makeup, only because I feel like my makeup looks so much nicer when I do apply oils. This one, it doesn't feel heavy at all, and it feels like a little bit sticky, but it smells really good as well. I really do like this one. It feels really lightweight on my skin, which I really love. Next, I'm going to be applying my YSL Beauty. This one is the All Hours Primer. This one actually feels very moisturizing but very lightweight. Next, I'm going to be applying my YSL Beauty Touch Eclair Primer. I really do like this one. I feel like it leaves my skin looking so pretty, especially when I apply it on my T-zone. That's why I actually love this one. So I'm really focusing it mainly on my T-zone. For foundation, I'm going to be using my YSL Beauty All Hours Foundation. This one is in the color Sand. It is a little bit lighter for me, but it does oxidize a bit. To blend my foundation, I'm going to be using my Artiste brush. I actually did apply a little bit of foundation on the brush already, just because I don't want it to absorb a lot of my foundation. This one is in the number 7. Like I said, I do feel like this one is a bit light for me, but it's going to oxidize a bit and it will end up being like my color. For concealer, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape. This one is in the color Light Sand. I'm just applying a little bit. I'm also going to be applying this concealer from YSL. This one is more luminizing. This one is a Radiant Touch. To blend out my concealer, I'm going to be using this Sigma 3D HD blender. This one is actually brand new. I've heard that they remade it again, but this is the first time I'm going to be using, so I'm actually really excited to be using it. Now we will go back home today, and I feel like it's really good to blend out like my concealer under my eye. It's blending really good. What I like about it is that it's so pointy that it's making me work a little bit less, because usually I have to like squeeze my blender in order for me to get like really close under my eye. It's not that hard either. This one's actually pretty soft. It's a little bit more like not as bouncy as my beauty blender, but I actually like it a lot. To set under my eyes, I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier powder like always. So I'm just going to dip my sponge in here, and it does make it a lot easier to bake and to apply the powder. I actually like it a lot. I'm really liking the sponge a lot. I'm also going to be setting the rest of my face with the same powder. So for my eyes, I do have 3 palettes that I feel like they're the most expensive palettes that I have. I'm not too sure what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to start off with my Charlotte Tilbury palette. I'm going to be using this color right here in the middle. So I'm going to be blending it out pretty much on my whole eye except my brow bone. Next, I'm going to be using this color right here from the Natasha Denona palette. And I applied this one like in my outer V. And I'm actually bringing it in like towards the middle of my lid. Just a tiny bit, not too much. Next, I'm going to be using my Kevyn palette, and I'm going to be using this color right here. I'm just applying this color on my outer V and blending it right there a tad bit, and then slowly bringing it in. I did change to a Luxie brush just because I want to be more precise. And this one is just a small blender brush. Now I'm going to be applying just a tiny bit of this black color for the Charlotte Tilbury palette. Okay, so I'm just applying very, very little, and not too much because I don't want it to be too dark. To live through. And I'm bringing it in just a little bit. Can see, and winging it out a little bit as well. Now I'm going to be cutting my crease just because I'm going to be applying a color from this Natasha Denona palette that I feel like it will look a lot nicer if I do cut my crease. So this is just a tip whenever you guys want to cut your crease. Just put some right there and then open your eye. Wherever it ends, that's where you're going to be cutting it. The seasons turn and change. Now I'm going to be applying this color right here. Okay, so whenever I use my metallic eyeshadows from Natasha Denona, what I like to do is spray some Fix Plus on it. Time continues marching, it slowly. Now I'm going back to my Kevyn palette, and I'm going to be applying a little bit of this color right here. So I just wanted to look a little bit more ombre, so what I'm doing is I'm just applying it on my outer V and then smoking it out right there. Not for long, just a time. Now I'm going to be applying this color right here on my brow bone. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going to be applying the color right here in the middle. Basically, I'm just going to be applying the same colors I applied on my crease. To highlight my inner corner, I'm going to use this color right here. For mascara for my upper lashes, I'm going to be using my Lancome mascara in Monsignor Big. So what I like to do is I like to start from the root and then like sort of wiggle it up. That way it gives me more volume and my eyelashes look longer. For lashes, I'm going to be using my Lily lashes in the style Miami. To bronze my face, I'm going to be using this Kevyn Sculpt powder in the color Light. This one I did receive it courtesy of Kevyn and Octoly. This one's not that dark, and I actually like it because of that. It's kind of cool tone, which I do like as well, to contour. To warm up my face just a bit, I'm going to be going in with my MAC Gimme Sun bronzer. And this is warming up my face nicely. I really like it like this. Oh. It just felt like I needed a little bit of sun on my face. For blush, I'm going to be using my Kevyn Aucoin Neo Bronzer palette, and I'm actually going to be using the color right here. Even though it says bronzer, I still like to use it as blush. You can see it's so pretty. I really love this color a lot. Now I'm going to set my face with my MAC Fix Plus. For highlight, I'm going to be using my Charlotte Tilbury Bar of Gold highlight, which is a really, really pretty highlight. As you can see, it's so pretty. Wow. This is like a blinding highlight. Ooh.
You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like.
To line my lips, I'm going to be using my Tarte lip liner. I'm not too sure about the color, but I'll leave it in the description box below. For my lips, I'm going to be using my Burberry lipstick, and this one is in the color medium. This one's a really, really pretty color. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial using my most expensive makeup. Let me know which other videos you would like to see on my channel, and I'll be leaving all the information in the description box below of everything I used. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye. Besitos. Mwah.